Welcome to all students of class 9. I am Elsie Madam, social science teacher. Today is our 5th day of social science, that is 19th June 2020. Class 9, subject social science, economics, chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Food Security in India. Yesterday we already explained about the elements of food security. What is food security? What is famine? Today we are going to explain about the food security in India, buffer stock, minimum support price, issue price, and what is public distribution system. So, okay, first we are going to explain about the food security in India. Since the advent of the Green Revolution in the early 1970s, the country has avoided famine even during adverse weather conditions. That means we achieved self-sufficiency in food grains. India has become self-sufficient in food grains during the last 30 years because of a variety of crops grown all over the country. Okay, we achieved self-sufficiency. Now, what is buffer stock? Buffer stock is the stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, given by the government through the Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation of India or FCI. FCI purchases wheat and rice from the farmers in state where there is surplus. Where there is surplus production, from their government purchases or FCI purchases rice and wheat. The farmers are paid. That the government is keeping in the warehouses. That stock is known as buffer stock. From where the government is getting? From the farmers where there is extra production. They are collecting from there and keep it in the warehouses. It is known as buffer stock. Next, what is minimum support price? It is the pre-announced price for their crops. Pre-announced price is declared by the government every year before the sowing season. Why? To provide an incentive to the farmers for raising the production of these crops. Before sowing, government is declared the minimum support price for the farmers. So it is an incentive to the farmers to produce more land to cultivate more land under. The purchased food grains are stored in granaries. So okay, what is minimum support price? It is clear. It is the pre-announced price. Pre means before. Before what? Before sowing the seeds. Then what is issue price? Issue price is the price lower than the market price. Government is giving rice or wheat, kerosene, sugar through the public distribution system below the price of market price. That price is known as issue price. So all these three terms is clear for you. Buffer stock is the stock of food grains. Wherever the surplus production is there, that is government is collecting and keeping. Minimum support price is the price or pre-announced price before sowing the seeds. It gives an incentive to the farmers. Issue price is the price lower than the market price. Very important points. Is it clear? Yes. Next, what is this public distribution system? In our words, it is known as ration shops. Public distribution system or ration shops. FCI is distributed through government regulated ration shop among the poor sections of the society. It is called as public distribution system. Ration shops are now present in most of the localities, villages, towns and cities. There are 5.5 lakh ration shops all over the country. Means wherever more poorest ones are there government started the food ration shops. And ration shop are also known as fair price shop. Ration shop is also known as fair price shop. There the people, the poorest one is getting the things below the market price. Keep the stock of food grains, sugar and kerosene for cooking. These items are sold to people at a price lower than the market price. Any family ration card can buy a stipulated amount of items. That is 35 kilogram, 5 liters kerosene, 5 kilogram sugar, etc. They can buy which more they are getting every month from the nearby ration shops they are collecting, and the government is introduced this method to control the famine. The introduction of rationing in India started in the year 1914 against the drawbacks of Bengal famine. In the last class we already explained about the famine of Bengal. There the 1943 more than 30 lakhs people were died. That is why government, from there we learned government started the rationing. There are several other poverty alleviation programs also government started, mostly in rural areas which have explicit and component also. So okay, is it clear? Thank you. May God bless you. So as usual, today's homework is read all these points which I explained today and send it. Write seven short answer type of question answers. Write and send it in my personal WhatsApp number before 8 o'clock today itself. It's okay.